Hello everybody. How are we doing today? Today is gonna be a bit more of a chill stream. We have some alpha to discuss, but it's some general alpha. Just some questions to answer, just some things to talk about for today's stream. But the important thing for today's stream is that we will do some live alpha research. We will have a look into some altcoins live because altcoins, they're looking very nice. They are showing a lot of strength. Right now, having a look into the total too, well, obviously it's breaking out now, and looking into the shorter time frames, well, like you can see, it's going higher. It is going higher. It is literally about to break into new optimize, and this is perfectly confluencing with our game plan, with our theory, with our things that we have been saying was gonna happen. And yeah, everything is just basically playing out now. But the important part is, during this part of the cycle, while everybody is not gonna be paying their attention, or everybody is gonna be losing their heads in the midst of all of the FOMO, etc., this will be a very important time to lock in and literally stay focused. It's not like when the times are boring, yeah, you should still look for new opportunities, and you should still be forward looking. You should still prepare yourself for that next move. But especially when the prices are on the move, you want to pay attention on the charts. You want to have a look into new breakouts. Like, for example, now Pengu is breaking out now from a daily level. Are we seeing a bit of a dump? Let's see. When did I enter? Or am I in profits or am I in a loss? Oh, I'm in a profit. I'm in a small profit now. I've just entered a new trade with the platinum members, and it's in a bit of a profit now. It's $100 in a profit. Nice. You can see it over here. I don't think you can. It's too dark. Yeah, you can't see it. But it's now $120 in the profit. So let's see, let's wait, because this is going to be the period and the time in the market where you want to pay attention, where you want to be on the charts. You want to have a look into these breakouts. You want to be ready for these breakouts. I've said it in the past, okay? And I'll say it again here. This time, when the total 3 or total 2, whatever you want to have a look into, when it's gonna break into new all-time highs, it's gonna be easy mode. I think we're gonna see a big pump for everything, like a huge pump for everything, and it's gonna be easy mode now. Every little single breakout on the hourly, on the daily, on the 15 minutes on strong momentum coins, you want to be buying it, and you want to enter it during this easy mode, especially on the coins that are showing a lot of momentum. I mean, yes, it's not real trading how I like to do it. How I like to do my own trading is basically have a look into swing trading positions, have a look into the longer time frames. Like, for example, Aptos. I think for a swing trading position, Aptos is a great buy over here right now, because also in the shorter time frames it's starting to break out. But like, for example, Aptos, I really like this coin right now at these ultimate lows. I think it will explode. I think, and that's really more what I like to do with my own trading. Now for this smaller time frame trading, I would consider it to be a bit more gambling, but it's like it's statistically gambling. It's gambling with an edge, because right now the odds are in your favor. The odds are that the total 3 will break out higher and will break to new all-time highs. So if you're gonna do breakout trading now on the lower time frames, I think it's literally gambling with an edge. And I mean, if you're gambling with an edge, you're basically winning in the long run, right? The odds are in your favor. And whenever you're gambling, when the odds are in your favor, you're gonna make money. So I do not necessarily think it's a bad thing to do now in this current period of the time of the market. One thing that I will say is that for my trade with Bangu now, I've entered with 2.5k and with a very high leverage with 20x. I'm not gonna put in a stop loss. I'm just gonna say, okay, yeah, if it's gonna shake me out here, okay, so be it. I do not think it's gonna shake me out here. I think with this breakout we're currently getting for Pengu, for example, here, just like we got the last breakout over there, well, I think it's gonna run, and I think it will make new highs. I mean, the founder, like if you have a look into the founder of Bangu, and if you have a look into the current market, I do not believe he's gonna let this slide. I do believe he's gonna keep the momentum going, he's gonna keep the pump going, and he's gonna massively boost the charts. I mean, in the past, I've been a bit more bearish on Pengu, just because it's all artificially pumped. But just like with XRP, right? In the long term, I'm not gonna hold it. But in the short term, of course, I'm gonna trade it if I see a good opportunity. And I'm gonna use it to my advantage. Like, for example, Pengu now, it's breaking out. I'm gonna use it to my advantage, knowing that the founder will probably artificially pump this current breakout. Knowing that for XRP as well, we've also grabbed a very nice breakout trade. And right now it's doing the same thing, by the way. But in the past, right over here, we grabbed a very nice breakout trade, and boom, it pumped very nice, very aggressively. Right now, same thing arguably is happening with, yeah, arguably it's breaking out now. So that's again maybe a very good opportunity. XRP, is it another opportunity? What's happening in the shorter time frames? Yeah, this is some strong. We just closed an hourly candle, by the way. This is some strong momentum candle. Wow. If this is gonna pull back, I'm gonna be a buyer for XRP here. I've got to say that. I've got to say I'm gonna be a buyer for XRP now. Only if we come back a little bit, okay? And Bitcoin still has that opportunity and still the chance to pull back to about 116.7, around that, to this middle line level of support. It does, like, Bitcoin, I think, will be a bit more wickery, but our altcoins will really explode a lot more in this last part of the cycle. Can we do a 10k daily candle today? Well, not for Bitcoin, I don't think so. I don't think we will see a 10k daily candle for Bitcoin anymore, but definitely for Ethereum and our altcoins, we can see a lot of green candles, and very big green candles. Like, we're already seeing that. We're already basically seeing that. Having a look into the 24-hour here, meme core, 15%, Pudgy Penguins. I mean, it's already showing a lot of momentum, but 13.5%. AVAX 10%, Sui 8.8%. Even Polkadot is pumping. Polkadot, the oldest coin of them all, the coin that has been doing nothing at all for ages. Right now, 8.5%. That's crazy. Jupiter, the Solana ecosystem again, near, you know, Hyperliquid 6.3, Say 6.4. Every altcoin basically up 5% at the very minimum. Yeah, more, maybe 4%. But every altcoin is up massively. And I just think it's a start. While I do not think Bitcoin is gonna see massive bumps anymore, I do still think altcoins are gonna be seeing a big, juicy, nice bumps. So that's the thing. And also, yeah, so I think Bitcoin will still be tagging like the upper side of the range. Again, I've been sharing it many times. See a liquidity grab, then go back to the downside, maybe range a bit, right? Create a lower high, then go to the downside, something like that. And then we will only really go to the downside in late October. But then during this period still, all right, where the top is already in for Bitcoin, but we're still ranging and nobody knows the top is in. During this phase here, nobody knows the top is in. Top was already in over here, but then nobody knows until late October, because then we see this big dump. But during this whole range, I still do think altcoins can explode and altcoins can see a very big rally. So that is why I think altcoins can still easily rally till early November. And Bitcoin can already top out by late this month. So yeah, that's what I expect. I mean, I don't expect Bitcoin to rally for much longer. Maybe more 2 more weeks. Maybe 1 more month. It's hard to say, you know. It's hard to time an exact top. It's so hard to time an exact top. How can it's just like timing a bottom? It's so freaking hard. I mean, yeah, if we come and grab these highs, I'm gonna be a seller, you know. But just like at the bottoms here, nobody really predicted these exact bottom on the price level exactly. Nobody was like, at the top here, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy it. What was it exactly? $15,300. I'm gonna be buyer at. Nobody said that here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy at 15K, and that's gonna be the bottom. No, you can't do that. Just like you can't say, oh yeah, we're gonna top out exactly at 130K level. Guys, I'm gonna be a seller at 130K. It's no way. You just need to dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. And I think right now, during this period, for Bitcoin, it's gonna be a good time for selling. For altcoins, during this next pump here, it's gonna be a good time for selling. That's what I expect. So yeah, let me know if you agree with me on that, guys. I did see some I do think I've explained myself pretty well in this morning's update video, but I did see a lot of comments coming in like, no, we're not gonna top. What do you think, the top is in already? Oh no, never. Like, and these are the comments I like to see. These are the comments I like to see whenever I'm giving my opinion and everybody seems to disagree. Especially the new people. Whenever all of the new people disagree and are calling for the cycle to last till Q1 2026, well, maybe it could. But if I like see these other new people disagree with my thesis in the market, well, then I'm always like, yeah, pretty good chance my scenario will play out, and pretty good chance I will be right again. It's always the case. Also in the shorter time frames. Whenever everybody seems to be disagreeing with me, the shorter time frames, like whenever I say, oh yeah, we've bottomed out, guys, and then everybody is gonna be like, no, we're gonna be headed lower. Well, always the bottom is in. Always the bottom is in. And whenever I'm like, oh yeah, maybe we are topping out at like a top, you know, and everybody's gonna be like, oh no, it's a breakout, we're gonna head higher. Oh, always the top is in. The local top, right? The local top. Always. It's always whenever the majority is thinking, the majority of the new people are thinking this thing, well, it's always the other thing that plays out. So yeah, right now I do quite like the comments I got under today's update video here, under taking profits here. I mean, not taking profits here. Bitcoin here, is going like soon, you know, taking profits here soon. You know, you don't need to like. You can't only read the title and think, oh yeah, this guy is gonna sell now, and that's it. No, you need to watch the video, because I'm not thinking, yeah, I'm starting to take profits. I'm starting to take profits here. That's basically the thing. That's the idea about the video. But I'm still expecting a big pump. Yeah, some scam comments, but scam comments. Oh yeah, why you keep talking daily about top exit from now? Still too early for this. There's no single flash. What is this comment even? But yeah, people seem to be disagreeing. So that's what I like. I like to see people disagreeing on me here. Anyways, Aptos, I like to skill into Aptos. What is the market doing in the shorter time frames? It's bouncing back slightly, huh? Yeah, Aptos, guys, if we see a nice entry today, I'd like to get an entry on Aptos. And for my short-term trade, I'd like to get an entry on XRP. So it's going to be a long and cool and fun stream today, where we're going to be racking in some nice profits, where we're going to be trading the markets live, where we're going to be having a look into some opportunities live. And we're going to be having a look into some alpha live. I've been doing this also in the past, 1 month ago or so, and it was a very fun time, I've got to say. During that time, the market was also seeing a very, very nice push to the upside, and we grabbed, at the time, a nice, good Ethereum trade right over here, and I went live almost daily during that period, because it was just a good, easy market where it was easy to make money. So that was why I went live during that period and every day. And right now, I think we're coming to a similar situation. We are approaching a very similar situation where it's going to be very easy to make money. That is why we need to pay attention now into the market, and why we need to go live now, and why we need to be locked in, sitting behind the desks, sitting behind the computer, sitting behind, keep our trading account open for every new opportunity that arrives. Let me have a look into my trade. What is happening with trade? Is it in profit or is it in a loss? Oh, it's in a loss. Oh no, guys, it's in a loss. So a massive dump for Pangu. Come on, guys. Minus 160. I mean, one thing that I will say, right? One thing that I will say, I'm doing this 10K challenge, where I'm. Yeah, here, massive dump in a shorter time frames. No, but one thing that I will say is I'm doing this 10K challenge where I'm basically starting with an account from 10K. Right now, it's sitting at 9.8K. So a little bit of a loss, guys. $200 in the loss now. But can you make me mod? Yeah, actually, let's do that, man. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Thank you so much for that. No, but we started this account with 10K, and I'm gonna trade it up. Now, I will not say that everybody needs to follow me with 10K, because just please do your own research. Please have a look into your own trades. I mean, not because I'm doing this and because I've been showing that I've been a profitable trader. You know, I've been a profitable trader with my swing trades. Not really with these intraday trades, which are very risky and which are more scalping with 20x leverage. I mean, most of my trades have always been 5x or 10x leverage, lower leverage, higher margin, swing trading positions, where first I've been in a small loss, and then I've held through the loss, and then usually I've always come back, and I've been right in the market direction. That's the thing. I'm always usually right in the market direction, but timing exact bottoms and exact tops, it's a little bit trickier to do for a swing trader. Now, one thing that I will say is that, like I've said, I do think we are entering that easy part of the cycle for like my swing trading instincts, right? I do think we are about to see this big breakout, and we are about to see a big break to the upside over here. So that is why I think we are entering that easy mode of the cycle, where it will be easy to catch these intraday trades, these day trades. And that is why I want to take advantage of that now by starting this challenge now. But why I'm saying all of this is because you should always still do your own research here. Please do not copy any trade of mine. Use your own thinking and your own strategy. I'm using a degenerate amount of leverage on this for me, small trading account. Because still, keep in mind, this 10K account, maybe for some of you guys, 10K is a lot. So please do not copy trade with 10K if 10K is a lot for you. I mean, it's a guaranteed way to wreck City. And also 10K, if I'm losing 10K, it's not that big of it's not that deep. It's not that big of a deal for me, okay? So keep that one in mind. Anyways, yeah, if you are interested in joining, with that being said, if you still want to join, because I will be trading this account up, I'm pretty confident about it. So if you're interested in trading this account up with me, well, then you can check out the links down below, join a platinum group, and also I have this trading competition where I'm hosting this trading competition, and I'm giving away $1,500 to my community, where right now 35 participants are in this trading community, competition, and it's pretty easy to gain some volume. I mean, right now second place or first place even 500k volume, and it's pretty easy to get to 500k volume if you're just doing a bit of trading, right? On top of that, also 5 lucky winners will get $100 bonuses, which is basically a giveaway. So yeah, it's some big rewards which are being given over here. 10k is a lot of money for anyone. You drop 10k from your pocket. Yeah, 100%. I mean, it's a risk to reward, right? It's like for me right now, 10K. I'm okay with losing it. It's not that. I'm not throwing it away, but I'm putting it at risk of potentially making probably a 100K account. So that's the thing. I'm not throwing it away when I'm trading here. It's just that okay, if I lose the 10K, well then so be it. I have risked that 10K of potentially making 100K. It's okay for me. Okay, I'm not throwing it away. That's stupid. I mean, I would never do that with any kind of money. But it's a risk to reward approach, right? Will you do a Dubai meetup, a future for your company, in the future for your for your community? Maybe a Sisha night. Maybe we can do that. Maybe we can host a nice meetup also with Crypto Rover and me, and then also some other friends of mine. Maybe we could do that. I should talk about it with Rover. Yeah, I should talk about it with Rover. I think we can make it happen, and it would be pretty cool to do that one time. You know, let me know how many people are interested for that. How many people are interested in that? Zoom your screen out. I mean, can I zoom my screen out like that? Can do it like this, right? Pretty much like this. It's a bit more zoomed out like this now. Right? Yep. It's a bit more zoomed out like this. Okay, cool. No, but let me know if you're interested in doing that meetup. Did you study something at university? No. No. Can you please go on Altcoin WorldCoin chart to give us an opinion? Yeah, let's have a look into some altcoins. Also, Pengu is taking a heavy hitter, man. Heavy hitter. No, but momentum is still to the upside in the long run. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't focus on the exact perfect entry. I just entered here because I was like, oh yeah, so be it. On the 5 minute, yeah, still, I mean, it was a heavy pump here, right? Maybe some support here. Let's see. Definitely support here. And I would still be fine with that, you know. I'm just gonna hold through it. I'm just gonna hold through it. So let's see. WorldCoin. WorldCoin. Let's have a look into WorldCoin here. Daily. It's yeah. It's a scene. This nice pump. I think a lot of the coins they'll do something like this, like out of nowhere. Like they will do something like this out of nowhere, and then on a bigger scale. So first see this small pump, and then boom, right? And then maybe even another one. And all of these coins will just go one by one. First, WorldCoin can pump like this, then like BNB, Solana, Sui, etc. And then the other coin, and then another coin, and then Ondo, and then Pepe, and then money is gonna rotate. No, but this is something I would expect with WorldCoin. If we indeed do see that big altcoin season, where I do expect it can see a crazy pump out of nowhere. But it's just going to be a matter of time. And in a shorter time frame, definitely WorldCoin, previous resistance here turning into support. I mean, it's a great level for accumulation, not going to lie. And also on the hourly time frame, it is breaking a bit of a downtrend there, right? So yeah, if you want to accumulate, not a bad place here, I would say. Not a bad place at all. Still bullish on Pepe, extremely bullish. Let's have a look into Grass. Grass indeed is breaking out now. Yeah, this is looking like a great structure. Let me forward it to my trader PA. Let me see what he thinks about it. One thing that I like, one thing that I usually say always is like, I already lost 10K, 20K, 20K on Raw, or no, it's much more because also on spot, I lost probably around 100k in total on grass. And usually, whenever I'm losing on a coin, whenever a coin is a losing coin, I just cut it off and then I don't look back. I don't have a look into it anymore. But for this case, I mean, maybe let's get a re-entry. I'll have a look for a re-entry, maybe on grass. Because it's a good coin. It's a good coin, I'm not gonna lie. Also, Wormhole is pumping a lot now. Oh, this is good. Nice, nice. Wormhole, oh, I like it, man. I also still hold a lot of Wormhole, so that's nice that it's pumping now. How's the trade doing? How is the trade doing? Still $500 loss. All right. How's the Wormhole doing? How about Arrow? Let's have a look into that in a second. Nice. Okay. Wormhole. All right, there we go. Let's have a look into Arrow. Wormhole, very nice, man. Very, very nice. I like it. Arrow. I like the fundamental narrative about the coin. Like, it's a base chain, you know. I'm very bullish on base. So I like that a lot. And I like the narrative behind this coin a lot. Maybe it can tag the highs again. That would be a good target for this coin. The highs again. The shorter time frames as well. It's seeing a bit of a breakout. Maybe a bit of a bull flag being created here. That's very nice. And if this breaks above that previous high, I think it can move to these highs very quick. So just needs to see a break above this high. There we go. Just needs to see a break above that high. But fundamentally speaking, I like the coin a lot. It's got a good narrative and the base chain narrative. I like it. XRP, I like the chart, man. I've been going over it right now, and the shorter time frames looking very good. Seeing a bit of a dump now. Should we also enter on XRP? Should we also enter on XRP now? Yeah. Let's actually right. Why not? Why not? Let's do like 1k trades. Why not? And then we could add a bit more if we go lower. Let's do isolate margin. 20x. Let me send it to the group. Go. I'm also liking XRP. Oh, trade. Add more on lower. So now we've got 2 trades open. 2 trades. All right, there we go. There we go. Why would you say it's a good coin? What's the logic behind that? Which coin? Which coin do you mean? Because I did mention a lot of coins. there are a lot of coins I really like and really am bullish on, and really a lot of coins that I consider being a good coin. It really depends on like the narrative. I think narrative is most important. What's the narrative behind a coin? Why would anyone buy it? Why are people gonna buy it? It's that's the most important part, I would say. And then maybe also like technical chart is a good one. Maybe the chart behind it is a good one. Also like the narrative in terms of what category is it trading in, like is it a meme coin, is it an AI coin? That would also fit in the narrative part. So yeah, how old were you? Very young, and I didn't start with a lot, like maybe 1K, maybe even less. You can go back to my oldest videos and you can see I started very young. Quite funny to do so, actually. Here at the top 4 years ago, and bottom. Have you heard about Audius? I did hear about it, but I'm not that bullish on it. I think so. I didn't do any proper research. Let me say that correctly. Brad, number one meme coin on base. Yes and no. I did catch a very nice trade on Toshi with the group. I got a very nice trade on Toshi here, where I basically entered right about here. Okay, first it bumped, then it dumped, and then boom, this massive bump. That massive bump. Yeah, I entered with the group here, with the platinum group here in the chat. You can see. Search for Toshi. Just opened a small trade on Toshi. Oh, you can't see it. Just opened a small trade on Toshi. So yeah, Toshi was a nice one, but I agree. Brad is and Toshi, I would be interested in re-entering if we do come a bit lower to this region here, because I already took my profits at the top. But Brad, I also really like. I mean, it's got a good narrative. Also, it's breaking out. Everything is kind of breaking out now, right? Ah, it's so good. Come on. Come on. Yeah, Brad, I like it. I like it. I think this has got some power, some legs. I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade Brad though. I'm holding it. Holding it. Do you still have some childhood friends, or did you change your friend group at some point? Yeah, I have most of my childhood friends still, but it's sometimes hard when I'm living in Dubai and they still live in the Netherlands. But I let them come over here, and also two of my friends are coming to Dubai at the end of this month, so that's gonna be fun. And also I'm visiting my hometown, not that often, but like when I'm there, I'll make sure to always meet up with the friends. Have you heard about Move? Yeah. I mean, I didn't lose on it, but it was pretty much a small profit on a very like big time frame. So I was in the trade for very long, and I only made a small profit, and the opportunity cost was pretty big. So I consider it being a loss, while actually I won, and I made money on it. But still, because the trade took so long, I still, please send funds, sir. I'm sending now. Send now. Last chance was 2 years ago. Depends on what last chance. It's always the context about last chance. Do you follow other YouTubers? For example, Benjamin Cowan, Virtual Bacon. Yes. I do check sometimes other people. Now I always take it with a bit of a grain of salt. I don't copy other people their opinions. I just have a look into their opinions and look. Oh yeah, what makes sense and what is BS and what can I take away from his analysis to use and curate for my own analysis. That's pretty much the thing. I never blindly copy anybody. And yes and no, he is being wrong a lot. Benjamin Cowan has been wrong a lot, but I have to give it to him. For this cycle, he's been very right about how altcoin season was going to play out. So, I mean, Benjamin Cowan always makes pretty bold claims, and sometimes they just do not play out, and sometimes they play out very well. So, the thing is, like, nobody is always very right, nobody is always very wrong. Benjamin Cowan makes some good predictions. I make some good predictions. Other people make some good predictions, but it's always about the context, and you should always do your own analysis. Nobody is always 100% right about everything. I'm sweating here about this Pengu trade. Let's have a look. How is it doing? Is it going up or is it going down? Oh, it's going down. Oh yeah, I get your feeling now. How much lower can it go for my entry? Yeah, it's about 2%. I mean, it's not. I'm just gonna hold through it. I'm gonna hold through that one. Also, XRP is down minus $30. But yeah, let's wait for a bit of a market bounce. I do think it's quite inevitable. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving a bit to the downside here, right? I mean, when Bitcoin recovers, maybe seeing a breakdown here. But if and when Bitcoin will recover, well, I think our altcoins can definitely see very nice push to the upside. So yeah, smash the like button, guys. Yeah, 100%. Smash it up. Only other YouTuber I follow is On Chain Mind. I don't know him. 80% right, and Cowan is like 80% wrong. Yeah, I do like. I'm pretty often right, but I don't know about Benjamin Cowan, his track record. That's the only thing. I don't follow it exactly like the track record of anybody else. Also, I saw here, is the Telegram free? Yeah, it's free to join. With the first link down below, you can join for free the Telegram. So yeah, that's pretty good. Join it now, the limited group and the platinum group, where you can get all of the information, all of the trades, all of the everything in real time. Don't copy a swing trader when they day trade. Yes and no. Like, it's not that I can't day trade. It's just when the market environment is good, I like to day trade. And right now, I think the market environment is quite good, with total 2 and total 3 breaking out. Should I buy Pengu right now? You should do your own research, honestly. You should do your own research. I think it's looking pretty good with Pengu. Gone now. Yeah, with this breakout here, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, that's my own idea about Pengu here. But obviously, you need to do your own research about it. Peanut died 30th of October last year. I believe it will run at some point. Yeah, sometimes these dead coins can revive out of nowhere and see a big pump. Do you have any favorite philosophers? Not really. I do like, for example, Stoicism, but I don't really care about it that deep or that much. Thoughts on when is alt season happening? Arguably, we're already in one. I mean, this pump here is already pretty big, isn't it? This pump is already 100%, and then we're breaking all-time high. If we pump even higher, even 100% from this point, I mean, it's a 200% pump. That's a pretty big alt season to me on the total crypto market cap for the altcoins, right? Can you give some advice on gold? I can't give advice, man. I can't give advice. But gold, yeah, it's still looking good. I mean, it's pretty interesting how gold is looking so good. I mean, it's signaling that yeah, the market is really unstable. This was such a massive trade here. This big cup and handle. It's crazy how it played out perfectly. Even a gold chart, it's playing. The price action is like playing out perfectly. That's so crazy. But yeah, I think Bitcoin will still soon follow gold, at least a shorter time frame. It's signaling that the dollar is losing value. Yes, yes, and no. I mean, if you overlay the DXY, right? Over here, we got about a similar rally to the downside for the DXY as we're seeing now. But during that period, well, gold still went down. Okay. So also over here, and gold still went down. Also over here, gold still went down during that period. So yes and no. It's not only because of the dollar. It's more about because economies and geopolitical situations are not looking as stable as they were previously. What's the trade doing? It's bouncing back slightly. Slightly. XRP back in a profit. Algorand. I don't like Algorand that much. What is your take profit level until? I mean, I think I'm gonna take profit on the way up gradually. For example, at a level here and at a level here, and then ride some more for new bottom highs. Or, well, no, this is gonna be a big level, by the way. This is gonna be a big level, so probably I'm gonna be out at all-time highs here, which would be nice 20% pump, so like a 4x, which would be another 10k on our trading account. Why Dubai? Because of taxes? Yes and no. Like, if I had to pay taxes in my home country, I would do it. If I would have the life quality that I have here, because here the convenience is crazy. I mean, restaurants to go here are crazy good. The environment here is very good. The weather is very good. I just love it. Everything about it. And in my home country, you don't have anything of that. Plus, you still need to pay taxes. So I don't mind about paying a little bit of taxes. I mind about paying taxes if I mean, no, I don't mind paying taxes. But if I have a better life here, I mean, I still come back to my home country and to my family. But if in my daily life I have a better life here, more fun experience here, plus I don't need to pay taxes or not that much, well, then it's an obvious choice for me, right? And also like the crypto guys here, they're all in Dubai. I mean, it's a crypto hotspot here in Dubai, right? So it makes sense business wise and personal wise. Yeah, for example, if I would only care about taxes, there are many other options. There's There's also, for example, indeed Paraguay. There are also some good European countries and good options in Europe. So if it's purely because of taxes, I would have chosen another country. Yeah, also the safety, indeed, man. That's that cannot be forgotten. Tengu bouncing back to the entry almost. Nice, nice, nice. You could drop your treasure in Dubai with no pin code. Uh, I mean, I wouldn't go that far, but technically you could. Yeah, technically you could do that. Aptos looks good. Yes, I agree. It looks very good. Maybe let's throw in a trade on Aptos here. You know my swing trading position. How much lower is it gonna drop? It's not gonna drop 10% from. I just want an entry on Aptos, to be honest. Let's just enter, okay? Let's just. We don't have Ondo anymore. All right. Yeah, let's just do 50k in Aptos. Can't do that. One more. Bit more. There we go. All right, nice. We record a video for the group. All right, I just opened another position. I opened another position. Aptos. I think it is a great time to open a position up here. It's a bit prematurely, but I do think it will see a massive breakout to the upside from this big, consolidation that we are creating at the absolute lows, at the absolute bottoms. Now, if we have a look into the fundamentals of Aptos, why I like Aptos at this moment, well, the monthly chart is, like I've said, at the extreme range lows. On top of that, if we go to the metrics, Trader PA has been sharing everything about why Aptos is so good at this moment. Well, still this thing is playing out where the metrics are going up and up and up. There we go. This month it was the same exact thing. The metrics are going up and up, while the price chart has been down. And because of that, I just think there's an asymmetry trade to be made where metrics are going up, price is going down, and soon price will catch up with the metrics because fundamentals are rising while price is lagging behind. So it's just going to be a matter of time until Aptos is going to be breaking out here. But I did enter a 10x trade right now with margin right now. So I'm going to be waiting for a massive breakout, and I think that breakout will be absolutely insane and very massive. That's why I already want to enter now. All right, there we go. You are lagging. No, it was just because I was not close to my microphone. I wasn't speaking directly in my microphone. So yeah, just entered another position. We're opening a lot of trades now, guys. We're opening up a lot of for the My Trade section. In the Platinum group, make sure to be in the Platinum group. Let's open. Trade. Swing trade. There we go. Make sure to be in the group. First links down below. Platinum group, limited group. And also sign up over on weeks. And also make sure to register and enter my trading competition, which I'm hosting with $1,500 in prize pool. Because if this trading competition is going to be a success, by the way, I will be doing much larger trading competitions. I can even host a trading competition for my community alone, worth of like 10K, something like that, or maybe in the future even higher. So yeah, but every trading competition is just gonna be free money for everybody. I entered when you said AFX is breaking out. Now I'm up 1K%. That's insane. Congratulations on that. I didn't catch that 1K%, but congratulations on that. How many participants are there now in the trading competition? 36. So it's still very low. I mean, as long as it's below the 100, I would still consider this like being very, very like high chance you can earn a lot of money. Not a lot, but like free money. And if you're trading anyways, you can better do it over on weeks, because it still has the cheapest trading fees. And by the way, weeks is breaking out back to the upside. Very nice. Very, very nice. So we look. Yeah, our account is almost back in profit. So are you speculating bullish or bearish after the most first rate cuts in a while? The days are red. I'm speculating bullish. I think bullish until about a week or 2 weeks. So, and then bearish. So I speculate range highs here, and then boom, bearish. No, then that's not it. For the new people coming, that's not it. It's a joke, guys. But yeah, I am expecting range highs here, and then slowly but surely consolidating, starting to enter a bear market here. Okay, that is one thing that I will expect. Surely but slowly, a bear market after grabbing down range highs. Is there any other way to join the Platinum group? You can use a VPN, right? Yeah, should I still make this option where you can join for a 1K one-time fee? But the thing is, I just, whatever I'm doing, I want to make sure that I'm not charging my community. Like, everything will be free that I'm doing for my viewers, for my subscribers. So everything must be free in that sense, right? It's free to sign up over weeks. It's free to join the Telegram group. It's free to get all of this value. Everything I wanted to do is for free. But charging my viewers, it just feels a bit off, in my opinion. I could do it for like 1K if there's enough interest in joining for a 1K one-time fee. But still, I feel like 1K is kind of low for the value you're going to be getting inside of the group. So for like lifetime, one time join. So it depends. I mean, you can join for free and the value is way beyond 1K, I would say. When do you think Bitcoin and Ethereum will pump to new all-time highs? Also, there are some noise that Ethereum will retrace back to 4K before start pumping again. Yeah, I think Q4 we are already topping. That's the thing because everybody expects a Q4 pump. I'm rather going to be expecting a big pump here for Ethereum. Let me load up this chart for Ethereum during like this ascending triangle, maybe to break out to the upside. Now there's a chance still, right, that we come down. And indeed, then we would grab the liquidity below that previous low. And I still have a buy order at the 4K level. So that's a possible opportunity and possible chance. It could happen. My base case, though, is that we will pump to the upside already over here. Now, this could happen. And if it will happen, well, I'm all in for it. And I'm going to buy even lower. I mean, over here that happened, right? We grabbed the liquidity below and then we moved to the upside. Over here, it also happened. We grabbed the liquidity below and then we moved to the upside. So, I mean, it would make sense to grab the liquidity below and then move to the upside. It would make a lot of sense. But also, given the current market situation, I think this is more likely to play out here, where we're already going to be pumping to the upside now already. That would make a lot more sense for me. But not to say, like, I don't want to count out this scenario here. I mean, we could grab the lows. And if we will, I'm going to take advantage of it. Okay, I'm going to take advantage of it in either direction. If we already pump or we're going to lag behind. XRP is back in profit, guys. Slight profit. Slight profit on XRP. Do you think Ethereum can hit 12K? No, not anymore. It's like maybe next cycle where rates are at near zero. But now, no, not anymore. Maybe 6, 7, or 8K. That's going to be about my target. 6, 7, 8K around right. That's going to be around about right. Will you take a holiday from YouTube in a bear market? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, for me, it's also a good accountability to really do a deep dive in the market every day, to really be invested time-wise in the market every day, really know what's going on. And because I'm doing that every day, I also make much better decisions because it's like almost like, how do you call it? Like a journey. Like a notebook, like a journal. It's almost like a journal, my YouTube videos, where I need to take this accountability, where I need to properly research my analysis, and then I always make better financial decisions myself. So I will not stop making videos, probably. Maybe I will. Let's see how it goes, because I will not force myself if anything happens, or if I really don't feel the need anymore. Well, then obviously I'm not, but it depends a lot. It depends. But right now, I don't think I will take any time off. No, for sure not. I think you can grow this channel to 100K subs in the next 1 to 2 years. Yeah, easily. Easily. I think even if we will see these parabolic gains here, if we will see this big pump here, like probably we will see a lot of retail inflow here in the next 1 to 2 months then, if that happens, right? And I mean, then it can already quickly happen, very quickly. But indeed, if I just grind consistently, I mean, I've already grinded this channel, right? My own thesis. And can I join your stream? All right, man, you can join. If you want to join, yeah, come on in, you can join. You can join if you want. Let's go. No, but I will not stop. I will not stop making videos myself. Maybe just if I fully exited the market just for 1 week and do one small holiday, But probably I will not take any time off. Hey, Trader PA, welcome to the stream, my man. So I'll hop in a bit, okay? So Crypto Rover can jump in this from this door, like he can open this door anytime soon, and he can join the stream. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. Crypto Rover, if you're gonna join the stream, better come prepared and better come with good alpha, some good high value alpha where my community can really print on. Because I mean, I did see that you're also bullish on Aptos. Maybe you can share some things about Aptos, because I also just entered this trade on Aptos. I already did it in the past, but I got stopped out, and right now I've re-entered. I think it's a great moment. But maybe you have some great alpha. Better come prepared to the stream, man. Crypto Rover lives next door. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Few floors above him. I mean, yeah. Soon. I mean, you've got multiple apartments. So you've got one above me and one below me. Cypher Capital offices. I don't know that, but they're always here. Yeah, always here. Always in Marina GBR for the Palm. PLI plugin from XDC. I don't know about that. How's XDC doing anyway? I've been having a look into XDC like long time ago, but what did it do? Oh, it got rejected, right? Because at the time I was saying this is the most important level to break above. We didn't, but I mean, if we do break above that level, here are your levels still for XDC. Now, fundamentally, I know nothing about the coin. Fundamentally, I know nothing about the coin. Bart is already to start. Yes, Bart is already starting. He's always beginning very early every day. I mean, that's what I like too, you know? That's what I like too. Bro. Cypher Capital offices near Dave's Hot Fried Chicken. I don't know Dave's Hot Fried Chicken either. But maybe it's cool. I don't know about it. Let's have a look into some questions. I'm not sure if VPN would work because you're another region phone number. I mean, you don't need a phone number to sign up on Weeks. You don't need a phone number to sign up. You only need an email and password. And that's basically it. Can you look for Solana coin? Yeah, I think Solana is pretty unfortunate because last night we did miss out on this entry on Solana. Oh, there we go. We've got a Crypto Rover with 100 dirham. Thank you so much, my brother. Really appreciate it. 100 dirham. No, but Solana, we missed the entry here. On well, $100 dirham, super. No, but Solana, we missed the entry here. I was looking at an entry at the breakout, but eventually we didn't get it. But it did, in fact, break out massively with a nice bump here. So, you see it here. It broke out very nicely. I mean, we had a look into it, but I was sleeping during that time. So unfortunately, I missed it. Pengu is seeing a bit of a dump now in the shorter time frame. XRP getting back to entry. But I mean, it's all right. It's all right because Bitcoin is also dumping a bit in the shorter time frame. But I will say though that if and whenever Bitcoin will pump back to the upside here, I think our altcoins will definitely see a big bounce and big move up again. Why don't you trade? We need live trades, not the reviews of charts. Man, are you just new to the live stream? Because I have all of these open trades right now open, And because I'm already in this account logged in on my computer, well, I cannot show my trades, which I have opened on my phone, because I've also opened these trades on my phone, and it's a bit hard to see. It's a bit hard to see. Maybe you can see it. No, you can't see it. But yeah, here is also. No, you can't see it. But I also opened some other trades live during this stream, but I can't show it. It's basically at break even now. I opened it on XRP and I opened it on Pengu during this stream. So yeah, there's also some live trades, my man. It's not just talking. I'm trading myself, my man. And also, if you're interested in trading yourself as well, then also make sure to check out this trading competition that I'm hosting myself, giving away $1,500, which is only for my community. So if you're in the Platinum group, if you're in the community with it, which is free to join, by the way, with the first link down below. Well, if you're in it, well, then you can join the trading competition. How to join it? Go to the 10K challenge channel, go to the top side, and go to this week's page here. And over here, you can join the trading competition. And it's very easy to get a lot of rewards from this trading competition here. So yeah, make sure to check that one out, 100%. ETF for Cardano, right now, 36 participants. ETF for Cardano on October 26th. The price bumps when ETF for Polkadot in November. Yeah, I'm bullish on Cardano. I hold this long position on weeks. I have a long position open on Bybit as well, which also I don't have open to show you now, but I have it open on Bybit. And also I hold some spot. So yeah, I'm bullish on Cardano, if I'm being honest. How can I join your channel? First link down below. The Platinum group. Yo, Mr. Crypto, welcome to the stream, my man. When do you think Sui will reach $4? Sui has bumped very nicely. $4, I mean, it's pretty much resistance. I mean, it's just a matter of time. But after that, I would be more interested in like $5, $6. That's where I would be more interested in, like this big bump here. And that's inevitable. It's inevitable. It's just a matter of time. This can happen very quickly. This can happen like today or maybe tomorrow or this week still, potentially. It just happens on the entire market. Like what's the entire market gonna do? But this can happen very, very quickly. Hello, my man. It's also Trader PA also in the house.
Really?
Hello, man.
Hello, man.
Hello, everyone.
How are you doing?
How's the stream going?
Hello. Yeah,
Mister,
so grab a chair, man. Grab a chair.
Fun.
Yeah, you can also grab a chair there. Yeah, so we have some other alpha boys in the house. Of course, Crypto Rover, my man. How are you doing? So you have some alpha to share today?
Honestly, the big alpha we're just seeing is that I mean, personally, I just went long on Optos.
Yeah.
Do you hear me also?
Yeah, but maybe a bit closer.
Yeah, so I just went long on Optos. I see you're already long.
Yeah, I also opened long.
Yeah.
Everybody is long right now.
Yeah, it's basically because of Trader PA.
No. It's just about the metrics. The metrics are just
looking
very good.
Yeah, you have to come closer and then you hear it.
Mic test.
Today. Yeah, can you hear us properly? Yeah, you really need to come closer to the microphone.
Really?
Okay, if I say something, I will come closer.
Yeah, so explain, why is Aptos so bullish now?
Just about the revenue. The price is like 90% down from the highs. And the revenue is exploding. DEX volume is exploding. So the metrics are just really good right now. And I think in terms of risk reward, I think it's a very nice setup right now.
Yeah, also you can see it over here. All of the metrics are basically exploding now. There we go. All of the metrics are basically exploding, while the price is being suppressed down so much.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man.
So
Eventually,
also if you look on the weekly, you can just like not on the WX chart, but if you go to
trading view.
and go to the weekly, you can just see this is the sweet spot if you zoom out. Yeah, the green box. That is the sweet spot where you want to buy. That is why I decided I opened up like a 600k long.
Same uniform.
Yeah.
We all have the same outfit. Come on. Yes.
Yeah.
It is the Dubai squad.
Yeah. No, it was actually quite unexpected because he was wearing the exact same as me.
I don't know.
How is it
Saying
even
it.
possible?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a nice outfit, bro. I love it.
Further.
Yeah. You and Script, read it out loud.
You and Crypto Rover are literally two channels I listen to. Matt, you actually live next door. Yeah, it's insane. We literally live a couple floors from each other in the same building. So I just take the elevator up or down, and
It's like a community here.
yeah.
It's very nice.
So it's
All
amazing.
of our friends are living here.
And we share a lot of alpha with each other, of course.
Exactly.
That's how we get in so early and make the profits. That's really nice.
So I also saw your Bitcoin trades, man. And do you have it open now?
I have to check. They're still open. I have to log in.
Yeah, because these trades were very well.
They were amazing.
The trades that Crypto Rover took at the bottom, they were insane. Because obviously we had a look into these range lows and the false breakdown here, and we were very bullish on the bottoms. But I was only opening up positions on altcoins, while Crypto Rover was opening up big positions on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's hard to see it.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah, people know it if they look at my channel.
Yeah.
Now about 1.4 million in profit, so not
Crazy,
too bad.
man.
Not too bad.
Crazy. Yeah, so what are you gonna buy with the 1.4 million profit?
More Bitcoin.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna buy more Bitcoin, or you're gonna exit the markets?
No, I mean, honestly, I do think the Bitcoin top is most likely close, but you know what it is for me? It's a never-ending game because you want to have as much Bitcoin as possible, because in 10 years, Bitcoin is gonna be sitting at, I mean, at least 10x from here on, 1 million, probably much higher. So for me, it's a never-ending game, trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can, because ultimately Bitcoin is the long-term game. And if you're in it for 5 years or even longer, you're never guaranteed, but in my opinion, that is my opinion, you're guaranteed to make profit.
Yeah, I completely agree. But that's basically what would you advise for people that are starting out with smaller amounts, because then it's harder to really accumulate a lot of Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Would you then try and trade the market more by cashing out at the top and then buying back?
Obviously, I always say, like for me, this is my strategy. But of course, if you have a different portfolio, you have to have a different strategy, because for me, an exit strategy makes sense. For you, an exit strategy makes maybe more sense because you're playing with less money and you need to compound your money more. But for me, it's a different game, you know? So if you have, let's say, less money available, then I would definitely try to do it and try to trade the market, because ultimately you want to try to use your wealth to create more of it. And eventually, if you have, let's say, millions, you want to take less risk. And if you have, let's say, a couple $1,000s, you want to take more risk because, yeah, in the end of the day, a couple $1,000, you can't buy a house from that or whatever, you know? So that's the whole difference between it. So if you are lower in wealth, I should just always take more risks in general.
Yeah. But at least you're cashing out somewhat, right?
Of course, yeah. I'm cashing out for real estate and other stuff. So obviously it's not that I'm not selling.
Yeah. And you're just gonna dollar cost average out something?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, my target is 137K. I see also someone say, I need to buy more white shirts to become more profitable.
Yeah, it's true, man. It's true. Because once we bought all of these white shirts, well, that was the moment when we became ultra profitable, right?
Hey, by the way, do you want something to drink?
Oh yeah, we have something nice.
Yeah, not right now.
Just like it's kind of water actually.
Yeah. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. But no, let's leave that for later and now discuss the alpha, the real big
the
alpha.
Audience, do they know that Rover actually wears a glass?
I mean, you need.
Where's the glass?
You need to talk louder in the microphone because otherwise you can't really hear it.
No, it was just a joke.
What?
It was just a joke about the glasses.
You really can't hear it if you're
Really?
that far. Yeah.
All right. Drop some alpha, come on.
Yeah, drop some alpha. So, Rover, man, you're the guest on the stream. Drop some alpha. What are we gonna talk about now? Some altcoin trades. What do you think about altcoin season?
Yeah, I mean, you can see the total tree here. This is the chart we've all been looking at.
Yeah.
The breakout is now happening, but more importantly, I just like to look at like the entire market and how like history is literally repeating again. So you can see the phases in the market. You first have Bitcoin, then it moves of course to Ethereum, and this happens every single cycle, and it is exactly happening again. And what is phase 3? That is that the money from Ethereum and Bitcoin is finally flowing to these smaller altcoins. And you can see it happening with BNB right now, but this is ultimately how it always has went, and now it is still exactly the same schedule as the previous bull markets. So yeah, I shouldn't really fade it. I should really pay attention towards how it always goes, and yeah, it's literally repeating. So I cannot stress enough about the fact that literally history is repeating. And also, if we look at history, we've got about like 6 weeks left. October is going to be probably a very good month for crypto. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, the worst time to be fading the market.
But so, how big do you think this altcoin season will be because of interest rates still being higher?
I don't think it's going to be that big as previous ones, because we see basically every single cycle diminishing returns. But yeah, let's see where it goes. And obviously for me, I'm going to be looking at the timings. And I think that you can't predict, okay, Bitcoin is going to top out in 4 weeks. You can't predict that. You always have to stay adaptive. That is why we also do daily analysis, because every single day the market can change. It can give you a different viewpoint. So that is why I would recommend to also, as a viewer, for someone who's watching right now, to just check the chart daily, because the market will always change and you have to stay adaptive to be winning.
Okay, so what are some price targets? Because I already heard Bitcoin going to 137k. It's a rough target estimate. What are some other price targets?
Yeah, I personally have my profits, my take profit set up for my Ethereum trade on 6.5k and on 6k, so 2 levels. And for Bitcoin 137, and basically those are my 2 most important targets, because where Bitcoin and Ethereum tops is usually where the entire market is going to be following in terms of a top.
Yeah, I do think that whenever Bitcoin tops out, that altcoins can still rally for about a few more weeks, up till about a month or so. So if we do see Bitcoin topping out, I do think that during this stage here, during this consolidation, for example, let's say, still altcoins can rally even higher. So I mean, also because of that, it's very important to have a look into the charts daily and to do daily analysis and to be adaptive, just like Crypto Rover has said, right? Do you have any other altcoins where you're very, very bullish on?
Yeah, layer 2s.
Yeah, wait, I will quickly make a tweet about the stream. Go ahead.
All right. Yeah, so Bart, layer 2s?
Yeah, maybe talk about layer 2s and the money transition from layer 1s like Ethereum, Solana, and then money flow capital into layer 2s. We've seen it in previous cycles as well, that well, they tend to catch up later in a different stage. We see a lot of token unlocks as well on Optimus and Arbitrum. But yeah, I think so. I think it looks quite good for a rally in the coming future.
Yeah. So,
by the way, I want to do a giveaway to your viewers.
all right.
Yeah, I want to give away right now live in the stream something to someone who is right now watching. So I'm gonna quickly make a tweet and think about a way how we can do it. I think we just pick like a random comment during the stream, and let's say how much. Let's do.
I mean, we can do a combined giveaway.
Let's do $500.
Okay.
I will do it. It's on me. It's on me. I will quickly tweet about it. Okay.
All right, guys. So in the end of the stream today, we will be giving away $500.
No. I will do it right now, and you do a one in the end of the stream.
Okay, so it's 2 giveaways. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, two giveaways, 1K in total, $500 now, and then $500 in the end of the stream. So some free money if you're going to be watching. On top of that, also free money with the trading competition. So also check that one out. And we've got people coming in, joining right now. They want to win some money because we're going to be giving away $500 now and $500 later in the end of the stream.
Yeah, so I just made a tweet, and basically in a second, everyone just has to spam. You just have to spam. No, not spam, but what should we do? Maybe send your wallet. Everyone has to send their wallet in the chat.
Yeah.
And then we, like everyone sends it, and then we stop scrolling, and then we just pick a random one. That's the most various way we can actually do it right now.
Yeah.
So
and you have to be subscribed.
of course you have to be subscribed.
You have to be
Of
subscribed.
course. So let's do it like that. $500 to.
It needs to update still, I think.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, because you tweeted about it, right?
So let's do it like that. Let's wait 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna do it. Make sure to let's do not a Bitcoin wallet, but let's do an Ethereum wallet or
Yeah,
let me
like
check.
an EVM wallet.
Yeah, let's do an Ethereum wallet.
Yeah.
So I will just send USDT over. So make sure to do it. Or actually, yeah, but please don't spam. Just send it like 1 or 2 times. So if you're already spamming right now, you're going to probably get blocked. So
That's nooit doen.
So just wait till we say it's green light to go, and then everyone can spam their wallet, and we're going to give it to someone lucky.
Lucky winner.
Lucky. I just feel so generous today. I just need to give some money.
Whoever does this, come on, $1,000 giveaway. Nobody does this.
No. $1,000.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Checking tweet. Live now with Mr. Crypto.
Live
Jeffrey.
now.
Right now.
Live now.
Yeah. Okay. Freaking amazing.
Send me.
Yeah, I will just take it from my phone.
Yeah.
And so everyone knows we're not messing around. We're just going to pick a lucky winner. So let's do it right now or not?
Yeah, let's do it now already.
Okay, so everyone, send your wallets right now. I'm going to stand in front of the camera 1 second, and I'm gonna just randomly pick one wallet, and the wallet who's the lucky one, I will send $500 to you. So spam your wallet, and I'm gonna stand.
Come on. Scroll down and then scroll.
Let's go, man.
You can do it.
Okay, so the wallets coming in.
The wallets are coming in. Let's go. Send your wallet, guys.
Okay.
Send your wallet.
You say stop.
Okay, no, let's wait 10 more seconds.
I see a lot
Okay.
of wallets coming in right now.
Okay.
That's good.
5,
Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
There's one. Oh.
All right. Who is it? Who is it? Who is
this
it?
is the lucky one. Do you see this on?
No, you can't see it. It's hard to see it.
Isa, right?
It's hard. Maybe if you block the light, maybe.
What's the name?
It's hard.
I will send you a screenshot.
All right. Let's do a screenshot. Who is it though?
How
What's
can I
what's the
copy this?
name?
Oh,
Yeah, I sent you. I will quickly.
Lin.
I sent you on Telegram. Okay, we got a lucky winner.
That's crazy. And
You can put it on the stream. Okay, so we got a lucky winner.
Oh. it's the wrong one.
Okay, let me quickly
Okay.
copy it and send the money. Or you can show it also in the stream that I'm sending the money. Or you can adjust the camera maybe so see it.
Let me have a look in the best way how to do this.
Lucky winner. Lucky chicken dinner.
Oh god.
Let's go. Let's go.
Is
All right.
the wallet correct? Can you check in the chat?
Yeah. So let's put it in now. Here's the winner. Congratulations. Congratulations, the lucky winner. Let me know if the wallet is correct. Just type in yes or no. I think
it must be correct.
Yeah, it must be correct. And then
That's the send it.
$500 will be sent. Congratulations, my man.
GG's.
Congratulations.
Oh, I have a chat.
Need to check.
Can
Need to
you
check.
quickly check on Telegram? I sent you a message if the wallet is correct.
Uh,
Can you quickly... Yeah, alleen die
The
eerste
first,
link,
yeah.
yeah. Yes, guys. Oh,
Hey, baby.
he's checking the wallet because I copied it, but through pictures. Change it.
Wait, maybe I can search it up.
Oh yeah, that's better. That is better. So
Yeah,
because
if I
I
do
don't want to
this.
send the money to. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
that's correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yes, we got it.
All right.
So $500. Can you make it big screen? Maybe you see it better then.
What?
Your
Oh, like that.
Camera big screen. So here. Working. That's. Boom.
Maybe they saw the pop-up at least. They saw the pop-up.
Here.
If you send a screenshot, I'll pop it up on the
Here,
stream.
you can see it here.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. Let's
So
go.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Let's go. Oh man, Rover is so generous. He's so generous. Just joining the stream, giving away $500 out of nowhere. Boom. I mean, yeah, you're printing, right? You're printing.
Like at a certain point, it doesn't matter anymore, right?
Yeah. Let's pop up this photo. There we go.
Feeling generous.
Thanks. I see thanks from Langston.
Yeah, thanks,
Oh,
thanks.
received.
There we go.
Yeah, received.
Received.
Amazing.
Received, amazing.
Where did he say received?
No,
I don't know,
thanks.
just
Oh,
thanks.
but thanks.
It is correct. The wallet is
Thanks,
correct.
yeah. There we go. $500. Boom.
Yeah, here it says pending, but now it says confirmed.
Yeah, it's confirmed. Yeah. I mean, people can see it as well,
Yeah,
right?
you can just look up on the blockchain.
Yeah, on the blockchain.
Here, completed for the ones like always.
Yeah, for always, always the people.
Guys.
Yeah,
What
man.
do we
So
think?
so generous.
What do we think about BNB? You already discussed the new all-time high.
Yeah, I did briefly discuss BNB. I mean, BNB. Yesterday we even discussed. Right now the screenshot is in the way. Right now, yeah. Well, let's put it in the left, just small right there, so people can still
Just so
see
they
it.
know what's
For
going on.
the new people. For the new people that are joining. No, but yesterday during the stream, during the FOMC meeting, I was mentioning BNB here at this breakout. I was having a look into this insane pump already, and this downtrending resistance, which broke out to the upside, and then we saw an insane pump, but also in the higher time frames. I mean, this is where we broke out of. We broke out of this uptrending level of resistance. Right here, we broke out of it, and right now we are seeing a massive pump. I mean, I'm all in for it. BNB is a strong coin with supply control and the largest centralized exchange still. They're still burning a lot of BNB, so the fundamentals are aligning. The fundamentals are aligning with the chart, and that's what you like to see. You always want to find the coins where the fundamentals are aligning with the chart. All right, so yeah, BNB is looking great, and also I think you've got a very nice trade as well on hype, man, right? Because of similarities of BNB.
Yeah, true. Because they have the same mechanism. They also used the token burns, and they used the revenue to actually buy back the token. So I saw a lot of similarities over there, and yeah, we managed to catch the bottom at 12. I think it's right now at 58. So yeah, that was a pretty good one actually. I'm very happy also to be sharing that with the community, and well, a lot of community members have been printing about on that one, so that's very nice to see.
Yeah,
Also on the chart is actually almost the same, the structure.
You can see in here that you perfectly
Yeah.
called it at the bottom
It
for
was,
hype.
yeah, it was amazing.
And comparing it to BNB, and boom, right now it's perfectly following.
And I think it's even going higher hype. I believe so. I did take some profits, but yeah, I do believe it's going high eventually. But I choose to allocate some money in some other altcoins right now.
Yeah, so you're rotating into some smaller altcoins. What are some other altcoins you really like at this moment? Because you're also like a good altcoin gem hunter.
No. Well, I managed to catch Ethereum at 1500. I took like 25% out of that, and I'm reallocating it right now in some layer 2s and some other smaller altcoins, but not too many. I'm already pretty much exposed in the altcoin market, so I'm not really to diversify anymore. I'm just letting it ride for the moment.
Right. That's also one of the smartest and most important things to do sometimes. Whenever you have winning trades and winning positions locked in, well, then the only thing sometimes you just need to do is sitting on your hands and just let the trades play out and let the trades ride out. And that's a hard part for most people to understand and to master, to get to know how to do this, but it's crucial to get to know how to do this, and you're doing it absolutely right. Again, just like you're saying now, vigilant, watching out for new opportunities, but also satisfied with your entries and just riding it out until your targets are met and then taking your profits, right?
And never go all in or go all out. I just skill in, skill out, and that's how you maximize the most amount of gains, and you could lose the most amount of emotions as well. That's very important.
Right, exactly. So let's see how is Bitcoin holding up? What is Bitcoin doing in a shorter time frame? Oh, it's bouncing back slightly. It's bouncing back again, and Pengu also bouncing back. We did open up a small trade over on Pengu. You know why? Because Pengu, I opened with my 10K challenge account. I opened up a small trade on Pengu because of this breakout on the daily.
How's it going, the challenge right now?
I mean, we just started it, but it's basically at break even now. I opened up a trade on Pengu and also on XRP. I think it's a great momentum trade. XRP is, by the way, going up now, so that's good. I mean, I think XRP is also going to be a great momentum breakout trade that we've got over here with this breakout that we are having. No, so like you can see here, it's basically a break even, my account. It's like $100 in profit. So yeah, basically break even, but yeah, I'm gonna be expecting a lot from my 10K account. I mean, it's a little bit of a challenge that we're doing. Usually I'm doing more of these swing trades, right? But right now, as I think we're approaching the easy mode and easy part of this cycle, as we're breaking out from the total 3 resistance, I think we can easily do this 10K challenge and we can trade it up.
A lot of altcoins, they actually have like this structure. They based out for multi-month consolidations. And soon they're gonna switch in like a trend phase, and then you can get very good momentum trades. So I think it's a good moment actually to start this challenge. So it should be working, man. What's the goal?
Well, the goal, I'm gonna have a look into how far I can stretch it, but the initial goal will be 100K, and then after that, I mean, trading it until 1 million, that would be crazy. If we can take 10K, trade it until 1 million, all public, all documented publicly in my platinum group, which is free to join. If we can do that, that would be crazy, I think.
It will be insane.
Also for my community and also for me. You know, that would be a cool challenge.
It's a challenge. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy.
Yeah, let's see if we can actually do it.
Rome isn't built in a day, so
it
will take some time, but it'll be worth it.
Yeah, but 100%, I think this is the best time in the market to start something like this now. With like, I call it almost like easy mode. It's not easy, but it's easier than before.
Good expansions, and I think that's the types of challenge.
Yeah, 100%.
Very nice.
All right. So yeah, the boys also need to head out, and the markets are not that exciting in the short term anymore. I will keep you guys I will end the stream now, but I will keep you guys posted about all of my trades in the Platinum group. So if you're in, well, you will be posted about it. Pengu is breaking a bit higher, just like XRP, so that's absolutely lovely. We'll keep you guys posted in the Platinum group. Make sure to join it and also join this trading competition, because I'm still giving away $1,500 in this trading competition. So make sure to join right now. I'm hosting it, and you can only join it if you're in the Platinum group. So make sure to go to there and check out this link, and then you can also join. So anyways, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Rover. Follow Trader PA on Twitter, on X. Also, Trader PA has its own channel in my Platinum group. That's lovely. And then also subscribe to my channel. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. Or of course, if anything special happens, I'll keep you guys posted.